Limitless Review. Hello friends, I'm Sid and today I'm here to review Limitless by Dan Essendorf and Justin Opey, launching on 3rd October 2020. Limitless is basically a software and training by Dan Essendorf and Justin Opey where you can learn about trending products that will help you make thousands of dollars with Amazon. Limitless is the ultimate system to succeed on Amazon. Dan and Caroline Essendorf have a lot of knowledge and experience as Amazon sellers over the years, and now they are passing it over to people like you and me who can benefit from it and start earning their income from Amazon. You would be able to run a profitable Amazon business in less than 30 minutes of work per day for the ultimate passive income. Limitless is designed to generate profits as fast as possible. Let's see how this system works as Dan explains about it and the type of income that they are generating on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis.
Hi everyone, welcome to Limitless. My name is Dan Essendorf and I'm one of the co-creators of this system. And what you can see in front of you is my Amazon dashboard, and I'm going to show you how much money we make with this system. It takes us no more than 30 minutes a day. So today's sales, as you can see, are $1,168.34. And what I'm going to do now is go live into our 7-day and 30-day view. So let me just click on that and we'll go to the 7 days first. And as you can see, $7,250.02 to just over $1,000 a day. And I'm going to go into the 30-day view now, and that's $30,114.07. As I said, it takes us no more than 30 minutes a day of work. It's a simple 3-step system. We've also got a really cool software for you that's going to alert you to the hottest niches. I'm sure you're going to be enjoying it. I'm sure you're going to be profiting. I look forward to seeing you on the inside and hearing of your success stories. Take care and speak soon.
So as you just heard from Dan as to how powerful this limitless system is and the kind of income that you can generate by using it, let's now see some of the key benefits that this system has to offer. With the limitless system, you can easily dominate the over $900 billion industry of Amazon, and it's 100% beginner friendly, which means even people with little to no experience can benefit and profit from it. It's a unique software which will help you find trending products and keyword ideas, which takes the guesswork out of your Amazon business. You will find some real gold dust products that will make you good amount of money. You can edge past your competition and make sure your listings receive a lot of traffic. And you can use other people's hard work to dominate this amazing marketplace of Amazon. You just need to work for as little as 30 minutes a day and you can set up a good income from Amazon. All the training and everything is up to date for 2020 and beyond, which means you are more likely to succeed with the limitless system compared to some other system which is outdated. You can easily generate predictable and passive income, and this is a time-tested and proven strategy that has generated 6 figures with minimal effort. So let's see now that what you get with your purchase of Limitless. The front end of the product is the Limitless system itself. It costs you $17. The first upsell is called Limitless Pro. It costs you $47, and with this you will receive e-com alert service, which is real gold dust product alerts for low competition, high volume products on Amazon to accelerate your success and earnings. You also receive Limitless Video Review Suite and Thumbnail Creator. The second upgrade is Limitless Done For You. It costs you $197, and with this you really skip the trial and error, and you can use the done for you materials so that you can start seeing results even faster. The next upgrade is Limitless Traffic, and with this you can have your retargeting pixels on the sales page of Limitless for ready-made traffic. The next upgrade is Limitless Reseller, which costs you $97, and with this you can sell Limitless as your own product and keep all the profit to yourself. You can do this by using all the sales material and support team of Limitless that are available. You do not need to upload anything or host, and the Limitless team will help you profit with this. The next upgrade is Limitless Coaching, which costs $77. This is a 12 weeks of group coaching with Dan Ersendorf, and you can be a part of a group of like-minded people and being coached by Dan Ersendorf, someone who has generated over 7 figures online. The next upgrade is Limitless Bundle, which costs $77, where you will receive 5 of previously launched products of Dan Ersendorf and his team, and this is also an extremely valuable product. So if you purchase Limitless through my link, you will be offered some great bonuses. You just need to click the first link in the description of this video, and you will be taken to this page where I have listed all my bonuses. And on reaching this page, you need to click on any of these blue tabs and make your purchase of Limitless, and you will receive these bonuses. So let's see the bonuses that I am offering. My first bonus is Bang Bang Profits. My next bonus is the Secret Weapon. My next bonus is the Fugo Multiplier. And my next bonus is the Incognito Method. Remember, Limitless is a great product, and all my bonuses will add even more value to your purchase. So please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you are notified when I come up with review videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching this Limitless review. Bye.